In this video, we're going to show you how to install the engine splash shield on your Nissan Murano located behind the driver's side front wheel. Note the vehicle raised and supported, so it's going to use our 21mm socket to loosen and remove these lug nuts. Now we want to go grab the wheel and remove it. Now here we are up behind the driver's side front wheel, and there should be a cover right here. Ours is missing, but if you have yours here and it's maybe just damaged, there's going to be a couple retainers. They actually go into the front liner here, and then there's two that go up on the top. So there's two on the top and two that go in here. Use your trim tool, and you want to go ahead and pluck those plastic retainers out. Now we have our replacement unit. And bring that up into place. And what we want to do is line up the holes here. And we had to source some replacement plastic push pins here. Once you've got all your plastic push pins in, you're all set. Grab your wheel. Get it set up on those studs. Then we want to go ahead and start all of our lug nuts by hand. Now you want to start these by hand. That's going to prevent cross-threading and damaging the studs. Once you get them all started, we'll go ahead and snug these down. All right. Let's now torque it down. Let's now go ahead and torque down the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Now when tightening this here, it's best to do it in a crisscross or star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.